That is his car.
A fire hydrant? Cabe? Are you going to give me a ticket? No.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Montana Department of Justice. Justine Philippi is reported as a female runaway that has a history of self-cutting. She has a large razor blade on her and threatened to commit suicide. She is on numerous medications and was last seen leaving her local high school on foot, wearing turquoise pants, green t-shirt with a sweatshirt over the shirt. She likes to hang out at the local skate park with her friends. A poster can't be viewed on the internet at www.dodge.mount.gov. Please contact Missoula Police Department at 406-552-6300 if you have any information.
Somebody needs 2 tickles.
No, it means to turn